Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Ito one, happy birthday. Kantaan muna kita ng happy birthday. Pasensya ka na sa boses ko. Pagpasensyahan mo na ha. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ang birthday message ko lang sa iyo, Sir Dawan. Sana abot mo yung mga pangarap mo at sana hindi ka magbabago kung ano yung pagkakilala ko sa isang group. Sana hindi ka magbabago. Yun lang. Happy birthday. Hi, Sir Dawan! Happy birthday! Mama chuchup mwah! Enjoy your day!
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to life, and I just want to greet my bro. Before you go, happy birthday. It's your day.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
God bless you always, and always take care. Okay? And what else? Sana matagal pa tayo mag-bonding dito sa Vigo, and stay cool and stay guapo, idol. And you are one of the best friend here in Vigo. Friends and brother here in Vigo. Yeah. And yun lang. Enjoy your day, and God bless you. And enjoy your day. Bye-bye. Take care. Love you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Kung ano man ang mga hangarin mo sa buhay, kung ano mo yung mga pinapangarap mo, sana ipagkaloob na ni Panginoon sa iyo yan. So, hindi man mabilis ang proseso, pero magtiwala lang tayo sa Kanya. Ipanalangin lang natin sa Kanya yung mga kagustuhan natin. Basta para sa akin, darating din yun sa tamang panahon. Okay? Yun, always safe. Ayun, maging tuloy-tuloy lang yung mga gusto mong gawin. Yung ganun po. Thank you so much, Kuya, sa lahat po. And yun lang.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Dawan. I hope you enjoy your birthday and always healthy and always foggy, and God bless you. And happy birthday again.
Love God. Love God, love God.
I love you, Lord, for your mercy never failed me. All my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up
To lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. And all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Happy birthday, Manong. Wish you all the best in life. Wala akong masabi kundi enjoy your day and God bless. Love, love.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tawan. I heard that it was your birthday today, and I just want to take this opportunity to greet you. Happy birthday. May you be blessed with happiness on your special day and throughout the year. May your life be filled with wonder and joy, love and laughter. May you find peace in the midst of stormy days, strength in the face of adversity, and hope when all seems lost. Most importantly, may you always know that you are loved and cherished by those who matter most to you. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day and God bless. Happy birthday! Joy!
Hi, Sir Dawan! Happy birthday sa atin. Sinali ko na yung sarili ko sa pagbati. Charot lang. Pero happy birthday po sa'yo. Wish ko lang is good health sa'yo and para sa buong family. Stay humble. Stay tall. Alam ko naman, tangkad ka na. Share your naman po. Share naman yung height. Hindi, joke lang. Thankful ako kasi isa ka sa mga mabubuting tao na nakilala ko sa Bigo, yung lagi kong kinukulit, 'di ba? Alam mo naman makulit ako. Isa ka sa mga mabubuting kuya, tinuturing kitang kuya. Nahihiya lang talaga akong tawagin kang kuya kasi nasanay na akong sir yung tawag ko sa iyo, 'di ba? So, kuya, again, happy birthday and mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Thank you for being a good kuya. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hello! Happy birthday, Moy, and more blessings to come sa iyo at sa iyong family. And mabibili mo naman lahat ng gusto mo, lahat ng kailangan mo, kaya-kaya mong bilhin yan. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo makasama mo yung mga anak mo sa Pilipinas, lalong-lalo na yung mga nasa Pilipinas. Alam ko na ibang saya at ligaya ang maiidulot nun sa buhay mo. Alam ko naman na makakasama mo yung isa mong anak dyan sa Milan. Kaya doon nabubuhos yung pagmamahal mo. Kaya ang wish ko, yung makasama mo yung mga anak mo na nasa Pilipinas. Some quality and good times, makasama mo sila. Yun yung wish ko para sa iyo. Hindi kayang bilhin ng pera. Kaya enjoy your day and happy birthday. Saka lang, may papabatiin ako sa'yo. Oh, Rindat! Rindat! Ayan.
Ay, nung pa ako eh.
Dali na.
Ay, nung ako siya.
Oh, dali.
Wala.
Asa na?
Ay, di ba salming ka?
Wow.
Tawag na ako. Suma. Balik kayo. Ayun. Ayun sa lahat. Happy birthday sa aming sigawan. Naway patuloy kang bigyan ng mahal na Panginoon ng mabuting kalusugan para sa iyo sa iyong pamilya. At higit sa lahat, ang wish ko sa iyo ay matupid yung wish ng ate para sa iyo. Yun, ang pinakamaganda sa lahat. Sana ay patuloy kang makapagbigay ng ayaw natin sa likod ko. Ay kaganda na rin. Ay ate pupulong. Ito na. Wala. Take your time. Wait. Ay, patuloy kang makapagbigay ng payo sa mga taong nakikilala mo pa in terms of, alam mo na, problems in life. Doon ka magaling sa mga pagbibigay ng payo. O good mentor. Ngayon, happy birthday ulit to Dan. At sana iwasan mo yung pamumulutan sa akin pag nasa live ha. Kung kayo karoon mo ako sinasabong lagi naman akong talunan. Kasi yung.
Happy birthday ulit. Enjoy your day and God bless.
Happy birthday, Utol ako. Happy birthday, Utol ako. Bigyan na lang yun. Utol ako, pinapasaya lang kita. Nga pala yun, binabati kita ng maligayang araw. Sana good health at saka sana maging maayos yung pamilya mo. Yun lang, Utol. Salamat sa pagkakaibigan natin and more birthdays to come. And tayo na yan. Happy birthday, Utol ako. Pasensya ka na. Narakit muna ako sa TikTok. Okay, Utol. Ingat.